The idea of the Koenigsegg Autoskin function came about when we were developing the hydraulic systems for the rear wing, the ride height control, and the lifting system for the front end of the car. As we already had hydraulic pumps, reservoirs, and a hydraulic and electronically controlled system in the car, we thought, why not use this to automate other parts of the car as well? We found very thin and lightweight hydraulic hoses that didn't take much more space than a traditional electrical cable, and very lightweight hydraulic actuators that we could integrate into the front bonnet, rear bonnet, doors, etc. This actually turned out to be a very efficient solution, as we could replace the traditional gas struts in these different elements of the car and activate them with hydraulics. It actually weighs very little. The total weight of the system is under 5 kilos, which, given the extra functionality, is a small price to pay. It's actually nice to not have to touch the outside of the car body when it's cleaned. It doesn't become dirty from your fingers or anything like that. And you don't have to stretch and reach out for the door, it just operates. Of course, we had to build in a lot of safety features to make this work and function in the real world. So the doors actually have built-in proximity sensors, both at the front and the outside. So if there is an obstacle in the way, it will just stop. It's also possible to override the force of the doors and the hoods if you stop them by hand. And there are sensors, pressure sensors in the hydraulic system that reacts to
And they may well ask, why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? Why does Rice play Texas? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge is one that we're willing to accept, one we are unwilling to postpone, and one we intend to win, and the others too.